AI is getting scary good, like actually mind-blowing. I recently tried something wild, turning celebrities like Taylor Swift, Lionel Messi, and Keanu Reeves into their 5-year-old selves using a new effect from Higgsfield AI called Glowshift. And the results? Unbelievably accurate. It's not just a baby face filter, this thing transforms adult photos into childhood versions with crazy precision, keeping the exact same pose, expression, even hand and arm positioning. Here's how I did it. First, I went to Higgsfield's Create section, selected Image, and uploaded a high-quality photo of a celebrity. Then I used this prompt. Transform the adult subject into a 5-year-old child version while preserving exact anatomical positioning, hand-arm orientations, and pose relationships to objects. This must be a universal transformation that maintains perfect spatial integrity regardless of subject or scene. Within seconds, the image was transformed into a mini version of the celeb. Same stance, same energy, just adorably younger. Next, I moved to the Image to Video tab, picked Glowshift from the 100+ cinematic effects, and uploaded the adult photo as the start frame and the baby version as the end frame. I pasted the same prompt again to guide the transition and hit generate. The result? A smooth, almost magical transformation that looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. I tried it on some of the most iconic faces. Elon Musk with his unmistakable smirk, Cristiano Ronaldo mid-victory pose, Rihanna glowing with her usual confidence, and Angelina Jolie with that timeless elegance. And watching them morph into their younger selves, while keeping every subtle detail intact, was honestly surreal. What's even cooler is you can stack effects or add your own camera movements for even more dynamic results. Whether you're a content creator, an artist, or just someone curious about what AI can really do, Higgsfield opens up an entirely new creative playground. If this blew your mind even a little, drop a like, let me know which celeb you'd want to see transformed, and subscribe for more mind-bending AI content, because this isn't just the future of editing. It's already here and it's evolving fast.